chili in the air. That's how you know you're getting close. Welcome to Ride-Thru Legends, where we celebrate the classics that built car culture and cured road trip hunger. Today, the road leads to Beverly and Rampart, home of the chili-smothered legend known as Tommy's. This is the OG, store number 1, the mothership. Tom Kolax opened this burger shack in 1946 with a dime and a dream, and maybe a little grease under his fingernails.
Good morning, how are you? Yeah, let me do a number 1, but I would like to upgrade the fries to chili cheese fries, please. Can I get no onions on the burger, please? And that'll do it, thank you. Order 91. Thank you.
Back in the day, you'd pull up at 2 a.m. and half the city was already here. Hot rods, Harleys, cops, kids in lowriders, debutantes in prom dresses.
Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you, ladies.
Everyone shoulder to shoulder, waiting for that sloppy, legendary mess they call a chili burger. No apps, no speaker box, just you, the shack, and the chili.
This is a big one. Original Thomas. This is the original location, the very first stand open, and that is it right there, sitting there on the corner. So I'm tucked within an earshot of the original stand, and as you can see, I ordered myself some originals here. We've got the original chili cheese fries, original double chili cheeseburger. Got it with no onions, you know me, you know me. We're gonna go for the fries first. It's like In-N-Out, we kind of learned our lesson with In-N-Out. You kind of need to go first with the fries because your cheese tends to dry. But I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is what it's all about right here. Okay, so I rode an hour and a half to get here, and this is not going to disappoint. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. I have no napkins, by the way. Oh, that chili's rad. Okay, this chili is rad. It's molten lava. It's got great spice. Great chili flavor. Cheese is a great quality cheese. I'm just going to do a little chili bite here. That's really good chili. Really tasty. It's not too salty, and it's not overpowering. I say it's spicy, but it's not like it's burning my mouth. So it's like, it's perfect. Just right. And if you're smart, you grab the fries at the bottom that don't have any chili on them, and you bring those to the top, and you dip. See, that's how it works. Oh yeah. That is some rockin' chili right there. Now the fries are your basic frozen, but when you drench them in this fantastic chili, yeah. This chili, it's not so super spicy that like it's gonna blast your mouth out or anything. But it will get the fluid going in your nostrils. I apologize, I am cooking to death. I'm sitting in the sun and it's like about 85 degrees right now in Los Angeles. So I apologize that I'm like a mess. But that's the price you pay with the Ride-Thru Legends. I should mention I haven't had Tommy's in probably about 5 years. Why? For no real reason other than it just hasn't been something I've craved. But now that I'm doing this show, it was a must do. Drinking pink lemonade today. I tried to get iced tea. Their iced tea dispenser was empty. Okay, look at this. Every bite's perfect. The fries don't get too super soggy. The ones on top don't get super soggy. I mean, obviously, if you waited an hour, yeah, they would. But no, they're not as crisp as the ones on the bottom. Let's be honest. But they don't feel like, a sponge. Oh, but just chili is just amazing. You're like, T-Rex, don't you like a contrast when you get a meal? Why did you get the chili cheeseburger and get the chili cheese fries? Because this chili is that good. That's why. I have to get as much of this chili as I possibly can in one sitting. So, no bippity boppity today. We're going straight for the chili. Look at that. It's perfect cheese there. Every bite's perfect, I'm telling you. And you saw how fast I got the food? That's like, It wasn't edited. It's like I ordered, it literally took about 40 seconds for her to make the burger, and you walk away with your food. And when it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and you're like coming from a concert, you've been drinking, that's amazing when you don't have to wait. You know, patience tends to go out the window when you drink. Everybody seems to be a little upset that I got this prime parking spot. They don't notice it's not open until they get really close, and they're like, oh crap, oh, this Chili's is so rad. Yeah, you gotta try it for yourself. You really do. There's just the right amount of beef in it, and the beef's nice and brown. It's not like big cheap chunks of beef, and maybe that's something you would prefer. But when you're pouring it over a burger and you're putting it on fries, it tends to get a little clumpy and stuff. So I like that the beef is nice and fine, and so it mixes into the chili a lot better. Last bite. Honestly, that's a meal right there. I don't even need a burger. Okay, that was nice and heavy and big. I almost don't even need the burger now. But I'm here and I ordered it, and I'm gonna eat it. Very careful. Open it. Not to disturb perfection. It's just a mess. It's so perfect. That's why I did the fries first. Look, you're like, why'd you do the fries first? But look, this is why. Get out of here. You can't have any of you can't have my chili. Get out of here, Bumblebee. I know it's a very pretty bike. I know it's got a lot of yellow on it. It's not flowers, though. Bumblebee likes the bike. There we go. Okay. Do you approve? Some blotch of mustard right there. That when I take a bite, it's going to get right on my face. So I'm going to try to hit that mustard spot first so it doesn't get on my face. This is going to go on my face, all right? Just a disclaimer. Here we go. No. We need to stop dropping stuff on the bike. I need to put a bid on the bike. Okay, we're going back in. So I had to eat a whole pickle on one bite, which is kind of disappointing because I love them pickles. So as you take the bite, you taste that perfect tomato, that perfect pickle, the chili, the cheese, everything is equally showcased in the bite. It's the perfect bite. Like, you seriously taste all of the ingredients in one bite. That chili is perfect. The burger's cooked perfectly. The ingredients are fresh. It is pretty impossible to beat this. And so, since this is our second burger we're eating on Ride-Thru Legends, you're probably wondering how this ranks in comparison to the In-N-Out burger. I mean, if we had to put it on a tier list, I think both In-N-Out and Tommy's would both be on an S tier, honestly. So I don't think they're competitors. I think that they are completely different flavor palettes. Oh, look at what we did. That's the risk you take when you shoot a food show, I guess, huh? All right, enough dilly-dallying. Let's eat this burger. This cheese is molten, and I want to eat it while it's still molten hot. But back to what I was saying. It's if I want a chili burger, I'm gonna go to Tommy's, and if I want a burger that doesn't have chili on it, I'm gonna go to In-N-Out. I'm not gonna come to Tommy's and get like no chili on my burger, right? Oh, I'm stuffed though. I'll be honest, I am stuffed. That bite was fresh tomato, fresh pickle. Just yummy. I apologize for the sniffles. This chili gets me moving. Oh, look at that. We know the rule here on Ride-Thru Legends. If it doesn't hit the ground, you go to town. This is why I wash the bike every time before we go to a restaurant. I always make sure the bike is clean so that I can eat food off of it. This is a hard photo shoot. You're trying to be clean, trying not to ruin your bike. All the juices, all the last juices just get pushed in that last bite. So it was just tomato juice and pickle juice. Oh, it was rad. That was just rad. Okay, last bite. I'm so stuffed. My stomach is popping. I need a napkin. Well, Tommy's in the books. Another Ride-Thru legend. This is probably one of the biggest legends right here.
There's no wrong way to do Tommy's, unless you skip the chili. That's just disrespectful. Every bite tastes like LA, and every belch is a reminder of how good it was. The heartburn comes on the side for free. You don't come to Tommy's to stay clean. You come to Tommy's to stay full. Original Tommy's isn't just a burger stand, it's a legend, a chili-soaked landmark of Los Angeles. A must-try for anyone looking to taste the old-school LA. Gear up, ride safe, but never ride hungry. Thanks for watching, everybody. Special thanks to all my channel members. Demolition Crew, Ruka. Wrecking Crew, you all rock.
What you haven't seen on camera is I've blown my nose probably about 4 times already.